Hello my lovelies, I am back again with a quick video. Today I'm going to show you how to cook Fruta Pan or breadfruit seeds. So let's begin. Breadfruit is a prickly oval green fruit that when cooked, it tastes just like freshly baked bread. Some even say that it tastes just like potatoes. Breadfruit is mainly used as a vegetable and is very popular throughout tropical countries. Today, my trusty volunteer is going to show us how he peels the breadfruit to expose the seed. Breadfruit could have as much as 150 seeds or as little as 12 at a time. Today, we're going to be using just the seeds to prepare this traditional Panamanian snack. Once all the seeds have been taken out of the jackfruit, he's now going to place it in a pot and fill it up with enough water to cover everything. The water that he's using has been previously salted. He's added roughly about 1 tablespoon, but the amount of salt will depend on you. He's now going to allow the Fruta Pan to boil for around 35 to 40 minutes or until the seeds become tender. He's also going to make sure to stir constantly so that all the seeds cook evenly. As you can see, my trusty volunteer is using a traditional outdoor wooden stove, which is going to enhance the flavor. It's going to give it a little bit of a smoky touch. But you could also cook the breadfruit seeds on a regular stove. And voila, we have our easy and traditionally cooked breadfruit seeds. Super tasty and unique. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Please remember to subscribe so that you don't miss any other videos in the future. And also remember to follow us on Instagram at san.pal20 so that you don't miss any fun facts. Bye-bye!